Yeah, here we are getting the morning started at our local lumber yard, getting the lumber we need to get a small deck repair done today. We're gonna finish it in a day. Here we are loading up. Here's a project. What we're gonna do is delete the top decking. We're gonna leave the framing in place. We're gonna block the bottom, and the homeowner's dog kept running under there, so we're gonna block it in for her. The pergola is gonna stay over there. Here we are ripping the top decking off. Yeah man, easy work. Got the top taped off, some must, make it last a little longer. Here's the finished product. New top decking, pergola is what it is. It's blocked in. Off to the next project.